Hello, this is Eric Boehm, your friendly neighborhood instructor at Business Ethics 501, Business Ethics. How are you guys doing? Wanted to just stop by and say, keep up the good work. Keep it up. I'm reading your posts. They're excellent. Keep up what you're doing and stay with us. A few points I wanted to bring across. I'm looking at my screen right now. You should see a similar screen when you go in here to your work. Now, if you want to send me an email, probably the best way to press communication and then press one way. I'm assuming you have a similar look on your screen. And how I do it here, and I go right to address book. Very simple. And I'm going to have to find my name. Right there I am. Wow. Okay, so you find the name. I'm going to add myself as a recipient. It should come on. Let's see if I did it right. Let's make sure I did it right. Try it again. It should come on here. Let's make sure. I put here. Oh, I want to do that. Eric Boehm. Oh, I forgot. So it's going to go to me. Now I'm on here. Okay, so now you see your name's on there. It's my name on here. You press add recipient. Boom. Pops in the little screen here, real simple. I do ask if you can to please put a reference. So if you're writing about the class, just put in there something like this, ETH 501. Always good to, shall we say, put in a screenshot. So you could say here, I need help with this. All right, I know what you're talking about. So down here, you press a little button. You see my cursor. You should have this on your screen as well. Part of Windows, the little scissors here. You click on it. There it is. I just put new in here. Okay, let's see if I can press it right. There, I did it. And I should be able to this. Okay, I actually made a little picture in here. You see it? Propose new message. And I should be able to, well, it doesn't work in here. You can't paste in this thing, unfortunately. So what you can do then is simply add the file in, upload the file here and do it. Go back up to where I had paste. There it is. So I'll just say, save it. File for professor. There it is. Okay. I'm going to attach it. File for professor. There I am. Okay, boom, boom, boom. This way I see what you need. I need help with writing messages. See, attached. So now you guys have sent me a message. Real simple. I see the file is on here. If it's an emergency, I don't know if you have this either, but you can always do this, emergency, low, high, whatever it is. You could write on your Ethics 501, how to send messages. You could write due date, question, whatever you need, it's there. So we just go ahead and we press send. And send successfully. That's it. You guys should also have access to my announcements. You press here for communication. Let's go back to our home screen. This is the course home. And communication under news. I'm not sure what you could see in your screen, but it should have all the announcements, at least the ones that I'm going to be making for you. Dates on them, and you can review them if you want to go back. They're always there for you to see. Okay, so I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, right? I hope it's as easy as possible for you guys. Back to course home again. And any material information, we have our course materials in here. It tells us when work is due. But also, even more important, we have a calendar, we have content. You've got my due dates. You guys have my due dates in here. In a letter I sent out. Let me see if I have it here a second. There it is. Okay, I'll put this on the screen. This is the letter I sent out to you guys. You should have a copy of it. As an attachment, it tells us all our due dates. You can see specifically when everything is due. All right, and there's so much information you guys have at your fingertips for help. You can see down over here where to find people, where to find assistance. And we have our SOS department right down here. They're really fantastic, always available for you. So, you know, everything's at your fingertips here at TUI. If you need me, I'm here for you. I look forward to working with you guys, and I wish you luck. Keep doing what you're doing. Reach out to me if you need me. That's what I do, okay? I'm going to go ahead and end this tape. If you find the tape helpful, please let me know. I'm not sure if you guys are watching it, but I like to know if it's making a difference. All right, thanks a lot.